Well, I'm back out early morning, getting ready for the kayak session again this morning. Yesterday afternoon, I didn't really catch too much, to be honest. I caught a balete, but it was a beautiful afternoon though. It was really nice to get out there, and I haven't done a midday paddle in a long time, so I don't actually think I've done it this year. Yeah, this trip. So this morning though, I'm on my way to Mikey's. Got to grab him. He's taken out the big kayak today because the other green kayak is under repairs. It got a crack in it, so I've got to fix that sometime, either today or tomorrow. So now he's using the big one right now, which is fine. It's actually a better kayak, in all honesty. The only downside to it, it's a big, heavy kayak, so it's like a two-person job to move the bloody thing. Looks like a cracking day today. The wind looks a little down. It looks like there still is a little bit of a blow though, but it should be pretty decent conditions out there. Hoping for the same today. Sierra will be sweet again. Another double Sierra. Last night after the kayak fish, I had garlic prawns at one of the restaurants here. It was bloody awesome. Good trade, I think. Hopefully maybe I can get that trade again. Holy crap, it's Micky. Alright, I'm out of here. I'll talk to you later. Frel, pretty decent size frel. Are you on the barlete out there? There's lots of boats around you.
I guess, but it's not really happening though. He's just circling.
Woohoo!
Oh, it is a nice cargo, man. It's a good one. Pulled him off the rock. I'm buggered, man. Fucked. It's really nice. Good fish. Nowhere to put the fish. Oh fuck.
Big wave.
Tide's pushing, hey? How close did you have to get to the rocks to get that thing?
Pretty close, man.
It's fucking scary, man. That surge was pushing hard, yo.
Look at the last drop there, you know? You get a good line going now. All the water was pushing in, no? I knew I'd get something right there, no?
Hit like a freight train? They do, hey?
They hooked up the Uzuri.
Hmm?
They busted the hooks out of the Uzuri.
Really? Hey, one of us. Good cargo, hey? Oh shit. That'll do, man. That'll do. I think I'm just gonna push mine back.
I don't think it'll fit in there without it. Straight in there.
Straight in. You ready? Jesus. Fuck me, man. Alright, I'll see you back at the place, eh?
Be there, man.
Good luck, eh? Yeah, I'll push it up from here. I'm gonna chill for a little.